The Valencian Community is an autonomous community of Spain. It is the fourth most populous autonomous community after Andalusia, Catalonia and Madrid, with more than 5 million inhabitants. Its homonymous capital Valencia is the third largest city and metropolitan area in Spain. It is located along the Mediterranean coast on the east side of the Iberian Peninsula. It borders with Catalonia to the north, Aragon and Castilla-La Mancha to the west, and Murcia to the south. The Valencian Community consists of three provinces, which are Castellón, Valencia and Alicante. According to Valencia's Statute of Autonomy, the Valencian people are a nationality. Their origins date back to the Aragonese reconquest of the Moorish Taifa of Valencia, which was taken by James I of Aragon in 1238 during the Reconquista. The newly founded Kingdom of Valencia was granted wide self-government under the Crown of Aragon. Valencia experienced its golden age in the 15th century, as it became the Crown's economic capital. Self-government continued after the unification of the Spanish kingdom, but was eventually suspended in 1707 by Philip V of Spain as a result of the Spanish War of Succession. Valencian nationalism resurged towards the end of the 19th century, which led to the modern conception of the Valencian country. Self-government under the Generalitat Valenciana was finally re-established in 1982 after Spanish transition to democracy. Many Valencian people speak Valencian, the region's own co-official language, also known as Catalan in other regions. Valencian was repressed and persecuted during Franco's dictatorship in favor of Spanish. Since it regained official status in 1982 in the Valencian Statute of Autonomy, Valencian has been implemented in public administration and the education system, leading to an exponential increase in knowledge of its formal standard. According to the General Survey from 2015, Valencian is understood by almost the entire population living within the Valencian community and is spoken by a wide majority, but almost half of the population cannot write it. As of 2020, the population of the Valencian community comprised 10.63% of the Spanish population. Valencia was founded by the Romans under the name of Valentia Adetanorum, which translates to Valiance of the Land of the Lamb. With the establishment of the Taifa of Valencia, the name developed too, which eventually became Valencia after the expulsion of the Moors. Valencian Community is the standard translation of the official name in Valencian recognized by the Statute of Autonomy of 1982. This is the name most used in public administration, tourism, the media and Spanish written language. However, the variant of Valencian country that emphasizes the nationality status of the Valencian people is still the preferred one by left-wing parties, civil associations, Catalan written language and major academic institutions like the University of Valencia. Valencian Community is a neologism that was specifically adopted after democratic transition in order to solve the conflict between two competing names, Valencian country and former Kingdom of Valencia. On one hand, Valencian country represented the modern conception of nationality that resurged in the 19th century. It became well established during the Second Spanish Republic and later on with the works of Joan Fuster in the 1960s, implying the existence of the Catalan countries. This nationalist subtext was opposed by anti-Catalan Blavarists, who proposed former Kingdom of Valencia instead, in order to emphasize Valencian independence from Catalonia. Currently, Blavarists have accepted the official denomination. The autonomous community can be homonymously identified with its capital, Valencia. However, this could be disregarding of the provinces of Alicante and Castellón. Other more anecdotal translations have included Land of Valencia, Region of Valencia, and Valencian region. The term region, however, carries negative connotations among many Valencians because it could deny their nationality status. The pre-Roman autochthonous people of the Valencian community were the Iberians, who were divided in several groups. The Greeks established colonies in the coastal towns of Saguntum and Dinia beginning in the 5th century BC, where they traded and mixed with the local Iberian populations. after the end of the First Punic War between Carthage and Rome in 241 BC, which established their limits of influence in the Ebro River. The Carthaginians occupied the whole region. The dispute over the hegemony of Saguntum, a Hellenized Iberian coastal city with diplomatic contacts with Rome, destroyed by Hannibal in 219 BC, ignited the Second Punic War, which ended with the incorporation of the region to the Roman Empire. The Romans founded the city of Valentia in 138 BC, which, over the centuries, overtook Saguntum in importance. After the fall of the Western Roman Empire, Duri,